Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. Today's video I'll be fixing something that is very important because somebody asked the question. And guys, I made a video on how to create and verify a Payoneer account, and after making that video I saw different comments. One thing you guys need to understand is I literally read every comment that people post on my videos and I try to reply them as much as I can. Then if it's something I need to resolve, I quickly try to resolve it. So in the comments, somebody told me that he had issue getting his US bank details from his Payoneer account and I doesn't know how to go about it. So I promised him I was going to make a video because I said I was going to make a video because of you. That was like 4 days ago. Then today, 4 hours ago, somebody said I opened a Payoneer account and cannot find my account number and I'm sure this is routing number, not routine number. And I said yes, I've made a video on that in the past, and she said I can't find the video, please help me with the link. So I'm going to make another video to just clarify everything because this stuff is not difficult. So today's video I'll be focusing on how you can check your account number and your routing number when you create a Payoneer account. Now the most important thing I want you guys to take note of is that when you create your Payoneer account, after the day you create it, it might take 3 to 5 working days before your account number shows. If you are very fortunate, you might get your account details on that same day, maybe probably 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours after you've created the account. But if it doesn't show, just give it 3 to 5 working days. When it shows, you're going to see your bank account like this. Now if you don't see your bank account maybe like this, you understand, all you need to do is to come to bank and cards, right? Bank and cards. And when you come to bank and cards, you're going to come to receiving account. When you click on receiving account, your bank accounts are supposed to show, right? Your bank accounts are supposed to show. For example, now these are the approved accounts I have on Payoneer. There's a video I'm still going to make particularly on how you can create bank accounts in different countries like Canada, Dubai, Japan and Singapore on Payoneer, but that is on one side. So if you want to get your bank account details, when you come to bank accounts, you come to receiving account, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to scroll down to the account you want to get the details. For example, if this is your US dollar account, you just come to US dollar and you click on view details, right? You come to view details. So you're going to see your account name. Look at this. This is the bank name. The bank name is here, First Century Bank. The routing number, somebody asked me about the routing number. This is your routing number. You can copy it. Now this is your account number. This is your bank account number. Now there are different types of bank account. There's the checking account and there's the savings account. This is a checking account. Your account is a checking account, and this is the bank address. This is the bank address. This is how you check your account information. So somebody says send me your account number, I want to send money to you. You just come to this place, copy all this information, and boom, that is it. If probably the country, your bank account in the UK is what you want to check, this is the Great Britain pounds, you just come to view details, and you're going to see the name of the bank. Look at the bank name, Barclays, the sort code, this is the sort code, the account number, this is the account number, and this is the beneficiary name, right? Basically that is how you check your bank account number. I don't need to prolong this video. The reason I made this video is to answer the questions that two people asked in my previous video. This is Yemi Aka and one other person, right? This content is not supposed to be longer than this, so I'm going to end this video here. Please consider hitting the subscribe button and turning my web post notification on if you are watching my channel for the first time. If you still have any issue about this, please leave that in the comment section. I'll still do my best to help you solve it. I love you guys and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.